Very good morning, children. We were in this chapter, lesson 3, The Musician of Bremen. I have already explained you this chapter, how one by one, first the donkey was left out by his owner and then he was very upset. Then how he joined later on with the other animal. He saw a dog on the way, then they joined with a rooster. Like that, they were moving further to the new city. Now, we are continuing this lesson, second part, that is page number 31. Now, this paragraph I am starting where I left with. When they reached there, the sun had set. It was getting dark. The four friends were very tired and hungry. They saw a light at distance. They hurried towards the light and were very happy to see that it was an old farmhouse. Now, when all the friends were moving further forward, they saw that the sun was setting and it was getting dark. Now they were very tired as they were walking from very long distance, and they were hungry as well. They saw a light at the distance. They saw a light and they were very happy to see the light, that it was an old farmhouse. "Let's go," said the rooster. Now the rooster is saying to the other animals, "Let's go inside." "No, no," said the donkey. "Let's make sure it's a safe place. Stand on my back and tell us what you see." Now the donkey is saying, no, to go there, before we go there, we have to make it sure that the place we are going should be safe to go inside. For that, the donkey is saying, "Come on, stand on my back and then just see and say, what do you see inside?" The rooster saw some men sitting around a table. They were having a grand feast. Now the rooster saw that the men were sitting around the table and they were having a feast. That means they were enjoying some meal together. Now underline this word, as it is difficult word, feast. Feast means rich enjoyment. All over the floor were gold coins, jewels, and a lot of money. "They appear to be thieves," said the rooster. "Let's chase them away. Then we can feast on the food," said the donkey. Now the donkey is saying, as I can see inside, there are four men sitting on the table and having a feast. It seems as if they have kept gold coins, jewels, and lot of money. So it seems as if they all are thieves. Now what we have to do? We have to chase them so that we can enjoy the meal, we can have the feast, said the donkey. "We can buy a beautiful house in Bremen with all the gold coins and jewels," said the dog. Now the dog is saying, by seeing at the jewels, that we can buy a beautiful house in Bremen with all those gold coins and jewels. So they began to sing. The donkey brayed. Underline the word brayed, B-R-A-Y-E-D. The words which I am saying to underline, children, please underline it and find out the meaning, and also you have to write the difficult words and meaning. Underline the word chase also. Underline the word braid, B-R-A-Y-E-D. The meaning of braid is sound made by donkey. The dog woofed. Now another word is woofed. Woofed is made a barking sound by the dog. The cat mewed. Now the mewed sound is the sound made by the cat. And the rooster crowed. Now crowed is sound made by the cock. On hearing the noise, the thieves were terrified. Now all of them made a plan, and then the donkey brayed, the dog woofed, the cat mewed, and the rooster crowed. On hearing this noise, the thieves were terrified. They suddenly thought that, oh my god, what kind of sound is this? All of them were making sound together. So the thieves were terrified. They thought that some evil spirit had entered the house. They ran out of the house without finishing the dinner. Now these thieves, when they heard this sound, they thought it is some evil spirit and they should leave the place. So they ran out of the place without even finishing the dinner. The four friends then entered the house and had a hearty meal. They turned off the light and soon went to sleep. A little past midnight, the thieves came back to take all the treasure. The four friends were fast asleep. They did not hear them. Now what happened? The four friends then entered the house and had hearty meal. The meal left by the thieves. They had this meal and turned off the light as they were tired with so long journey. So they slept. A little past night, after few hours, the thieves came back again to take the treasure which they left. The four friends were fast asleep. They did not hear, so they could not hear the thieves coming. One of the thieves crept into the, underline the word crept. Crept means moved slowly. One of the thieves crept into the house. It was very dark inside. The thieves tripped on the cat. Underline the word tripped. Tripped is missed a step and fell. One of the thieves tripped into the house. It was very dark inside. The thief tripped on cat. That is, missed a step and fell. Suppose we are walking without seeing and we hit to something and fell down. Like that, he hit to cat and fell down. The cat woke up and scratched him with his paws. He tried to run, but the dog pounced on him and bit him on his leg. The thief cried out in pain. He limped. Underline the word limped. Limped is walked with difficulty. Limped along in the dark, and now he stepped on the donkey. The donkey gave him a good kick. On hearing all this noise, the rooster woke up. Underline the word flapped. Flapped is to moved wings of a bird. So the rooster woke up, flapped his wing and cried out, cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo is what? The noise made by rooster. The thief took to his heels. He told his friends that there was wicked monster in the house. Underline the word wicked. Wicked is evil. The thieves fled. Underline the word fled. Fled is ran away. The thieves fled the place and never came back again. Now, as you can understand in this paragraph, when the thieves came back to take their the stolen items which they left there and ran away, what happened? First, the thief tripped on the cat and fell down. Now the cat woke and scratched the thief with his paws, and then he tried to run, but the dog pounced on him and bit him in his leg. The thief cried out in pain. He limped along the dark, and now he stepped on the donkey. The donkey gave him a nice kick, and now, on hearing this noise, the rooster woke up and flapped him with his wings. The thief ran on his heels and said that we should not come here again because there are wicked monsters inside the house. So the thieves left and they never came back. The four friends lived happily ever after. They had a nice little house, plenty of food to eat, and a lot of money to give them a life of comfort. And they soon became the great musician of Bremen. The ending of story is so nice that the four friends who all were very upset with their owners, now they are having a happy ending. They got a nice little house, plenty of food to eat, money, and lot of comfort in their life. Now they soon became the great musician of Bremen. Children, this is a very beautiful chapter. As you got the explanation, try to read the whole paragraphs by your own self. Try to get it explained by your own self to yourself, and then write the difficult words and meanings of the lesson in your notebook, followed by the question answers which I'll provide you. Okay, and the objectives you have to do in the book itself. Thank you, children. Have a good day.